Hey, I'm Alex Montalenti, real estate technology coach, and I've developed this series of videos on Instagram marketing for real estate professionals. Did you know that only 14% of realtors are actually on Instagram? In these series of videos, I'm going to talk about creating an Instagram account, the difference between business Instagram and personal Instagram, what is a hashtag and how do I use it, how to leverage your bio and your call to action on your Instagram profile. What should I post on Instagram? We'll be talking about posting strategies and really leveraging Instagram to grow your business, close more deals. So check out these series of videos and download our free Instagram marketing guide for real estate professionals. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Definitely subscribe to our channel. We're here for you to provide value, and we hope you enjoy all of this. So please comment below and let us know.